Hello guys. We back to the Sushant Singh Rajput news, murder case news. Here, all of the bodies, especially known as also the drug mafia, also came out in this case, investigated by NCB as well as CBI. So they are going to pressurize now Kangana Ranaut from yesterday, and at yesterday they also give some, complaint against her, give some dhamki, you can say. They just heavily say to Kangana Ranaut that if she entry in Mumbai, therefore they will blow Kangana Ranaut house. Okay, so they just thoroughly randomly they just going this type of way by especially Shiv Sena or Uddham Thakur, or also the Mumbai Chief Minister, and as well as Police Commissioner, everyone, and that other rackets who including with drug mafia and also Bollywood's actors and actresses. Okay. So, and as well as you can see in the other side, Riya Chakraborty's case. So, Riya Chakraborty heavily tell that if she goes in jail, therefore she will take 20 Bollywood actor or actresses' name. Okay. So, we can see also that, the Shouvik Chakraborty, Riya Chakraborty's brother, and Sandeep Singh also, as well as Samuel Marinda, all goes against. They just trying to protect themselves, okay, and blame on each others. But until now, the big Bollywood actors like Salman Khan, Arbaz Khan, Sohail Khan, who are responsible for Sushant Singh murders case, Sushant Singh murders, until now they didn't go jail or hang out in jail. And as well as Aditya Panchali, Suraj Panchali, Mahesh Bhatt especially, all of them guilty with that. Okay, so if you're talking about the drug mafia or drug racketeers, so we can only say that Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, both Ranbir from Bollywood, Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Hrithik Roshan, even Preeti Sonan also, and other people also taking drugs too much heavily. Okay, which drugs is already banned from not only India, all from world also, in each and every country like United Kingdom, USA, every places. So you can say that it's not just the first time. So until now you didn't know, because it's not properly investigated according to me. Because look, we can know also. Other cases like Mahesh Bhatt already made pregnant Riya Chakraborty in the year of 2014 or 2016, and Zia Khan also some love relation attachment with Mahesh Bhatt. So after that we can see Zia Khan going to suicide because pregnant by Aditya Panchali's son Suraj Panchali. And also, at first, Riya Chakraborty's first film actor. Riya Chakraborty did the first film as heroine, and with opposite there is an actor named Kesh Kapoor who has attached with Riya, already been murdered, but they told that she has some brain hemorrhage or something. After that, Disha Salon gone. Okay, they told that according to me she has been raped or something, and after that she just Adi Suraj Panchali give a push from her building or something and made her murder. So after that, but Steve, the assistant director, you can say, as well as all the transaction, who just accountant one type, so who just know everything about Salman Khan's, Arbaz Khan's betting in IPL, and also about the drug racket, and also Disha Salon's suicide, Disha Salon's murder. Okay, so he just also has been died in a car accident. So it is not a car accident. He also has been murdered, and now it's turned out by Sushant Singh Rajput. So I just want to tell that people, you need to be aware about that matter, because I as the first people who just say in the even first day when Sushant Singh Rajput gone from this world, died, I told it is murder, not suicide, and give it Instagram or contact with Sushant Singh family, because they are my relatives, and also talking with also giving WhatsApp and every places. Okay, so we can until now we didn't say that how many people, because all the Mahesh Bhatt also found guilty, because Mahesh Bhatt also all the murder cases from Divya Bharati to Zia Khan to Steve from Disha Salon to everyone, Sushant Singh Rajput, every murder case had been gone into Cooper Hospital. Is the owner, Mahesh Bhatt is the owner of Cooper Hospital, and all the Mahesh Bhatt colleagues and friends are doctor and nurses in there. So all the investigate done in the Cooper Hospital. That's why until now nobody has been catch up. Okay, so according to me, all the Mumbai police, even Mumbai police commissioner, DIG, and also Cooper Hospital's doctor, also the Mumbai chief minister, other politicians, Shiv Sena, Anil Deshmukh, and also there is lot of thousand name, Uddham Thakur, etc. And in from Bollywood, the Khan brothers also need to be go in jail. Okay, especially Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and there is Arbaz Khan, Sohail Khan also. So, and Salim Khan, Salman Khan's father. So they also need to hang out in jail. So, but we didn't know until now what happened. So stay connected with the news. Bye bye guys. Subscribe and like my video for more updates regularly.